A loose female terminal is a processing error in manufacturing cables and harnesses. In this video, we will show you how this error occurs and inspections prevent outflows. Loosening female terminal occurs during the handling and fixture mating. Narrow pitch connectors are less strong and more delicate. Human error or mismating caused by inaccurate fixtures may damage the connectors and terminals. Terminals are damaged by prying. Deformation occurs by reworking because force is applied to the terminals to open them. The spring of the terminal that stabilizes the contact becomes less effective. There is also a risk with a buzzer tester. Force touch with the probe will cause deformation. Even if a loosening terminal occurs, continuity is still present in the static state because the metals are touching each other. However, the cable harness is not performing to its full potential. The mating force becomes small, and momentary disconnection occurs due to vibration or shock. There are cases in which a product has passed wiring testing and has been shipped, but the manufacturer complains that the product is defective. There is a possibility of momentary disconnection. A momentary disconnection defect in the automotive harness will cause the dashboard camera and audio system to stop, and the lamps and side mirrors to malfunction. In the worst case, the vehicle may not be able to drive. Similarly, the detection of momentary disconnections is important in industries such as railroads, motorcycles, telecommunications, and aerospace. What is the test to prevent an outflow of products with a defective terminal? It is not easy to introduce X-ray testing into mass production inspection processes from the viewpoints of cost and takt time. Therefore, it is best to confirm continuity under actual vibration with momentary disconnection testing by cable harness testers. After passing the wiring testing, the momentary disconnection testing is conducted. During the testing, vibration or shock is applied by hand, hammer, or vibrator. The direction of the shock is specified by the standard. It should be considered in accordance with the item to be tested. Mating with a fixture requires precision and careful operation. Checking with a buzzer tester also requires a person to directly touch the terminal with a probe, which may cause unintended deformation. Please make use of our proven testers for quality improvement.
NAC Corporation.